Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process on how to add product variants in Shopify for 2025. Whether you've just set up your store or you're looking to streamline your inventory for easier management, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add variants like size or color, assign specific quantities, and get your products displaying exactly as you want for your shoppers. All right, let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your Shopify admin page. This is your store's control center, where all the magic happens. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials and get to your dashboard. Once you're in, look for the sidebar and click on Products. It's the hub for everything you're selling. Now, from here, simply hit Add Products. This starts the process of listing something new in your store. Now, it's time to give your product a name. For this demo, type Wavy Shorts in the title field. Choosing an eye-catching product name is always important, since it helps grab the attention of customers when they're browsing. If you're entering your own products, think about names that feel descriptive and inviting. Next up is the description. Don't get stuck here. You can quickly generate a short text. For instance, something simple like cool and light works perfectly if you want to highlight the feel and functionality of your shorts. This little blurb gives your customers a quick idea of what makes your product special, and you can always come back to add more details later. Let's keep moving and click Keep to save what you've got so far. Now comes pricing. Set your price at 800 pesos. That's 800 PHP in the field. Be sure you choose a price that's competitive for your market. The right price isn't just a number. It's a signal of quality and value. Next is how much stock you'll have on hand. Type in 200 as your quantity. Shopify uses this number to track inventory so customers never order something that's out of stock. If you're just starting out, don't worry if your quantity is smaller. You can always adjust as your store grows. After this, scroll down until you find the variant options. This is a crucial step. Variants let you offer, say, multiple colors, sizes, or materials, all under one product listing, keeping your shop clean and organized. Click Add Options to begin. For this tutorial, let's select color as the variant type. Think of it like letting customers choose their favorite shade without searching for separate product pages. Now, type in the color choices, blue, green, and red. Each of these will become clickable choices on your product page, making shopping easier and more fun. When you're happy with your color list, click Done. You'll see below that Shopify now asks you to input the quantity for each color variant. Each one needs its own inventory count. Here, simply type 200 for each color. This tells Shopify exactly how many units you have of blue, green, and red wavy shorts. Almost there. The last step is to hit Save. Take a moment to let Shopify update your changes. It might take a few seconds. Now you're all set. Your product is live with variants, and customers can choose between blue, green, or red when they buy. And that's it. You've just added product variants to Shopify, making your store more flexible and user-friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy walkthroughs. Got questions about adding variants or want tips on optimizing your store? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.